One of the other Nyamira County will see.
Yes.
Ndobwate bo governors. And I'm talking about Nyamira.
Yes.
Nyamira is a county of concern, always performing poorly in the county rankings in terms of development. Waniga ndoroja abantu beswa kiria wao gocha kupolio kero yekyo. Unokora kwa okole. Who could be the choice for the Jubilee Party? Who can be?
Yeah, a tough one.
Yeah.
Because of mine Mbolinga, the party of the moment as you see na Kisi na Nyamira in Jubilee, thanks to Matiang'i's anticipated candidature to the far end. Now I think enjoy umongso yo Matiang'i kiro umwana siasa worthy the assault iga asoire Jubilee. And it's nabayegenire nga ondubensho gochikoba Jubilee na ando we ticket nguchira ko bamna ko bachinsa machinde like osigisia se William Mwale party eliare bogereri ira rengo party eliare karwa nomination you are as good as elected you
are already 50% elected.
Yes. So na Nyamira nero na gusi ya beirebo now back to Nyamira a challenge nguchira kobo nga ningo koba ingotari koba kera abantu bande bonse bararia bari bataite ko kwawekerogo wetress Matiang'i. As we are talking now as in tali sure umugabano itonga yari kera 1 minute ko watebanga Matiang'i no yoito ikatuma bwati next minute igale se president agotebanga 2 term kera nero manene manata 2 term ponti maetinga 2 term elinya libakora ateba
no tiano make clear add 2 term
gusine ya Ruto
no add 2 term
abantu bande bamusaraund tibake bagotebanga of late uchakira kananga kuomya up towards Fred nelinga Fred yotaramwa libaga nerasoe and it's also torn between Koswa free as a Fred tuje karoro bisifile chao ne chinyinge chi koma ase kome utabugana tekobeka koma kwabeke full stop kwa chibese kuti chatume ko tarera nelia maswali naro so abange barochio bisi eba by the time nga ngise kolekana no opposition mono ai file ya
byansambire
si menyo so some abantu bande ba feeling maybe na ikemutangete wono iga singing Jatharad said aba mutanganire bagalekane bale na Fred mono wono iga umongwa na arali ukuru kwa engineer Kimoni
engineer James Kimoni
and then we have another guy ukuru kwa Walter Nkundi Chanua all along abantu bamaitenga singing jakolega si Narok umongwa ndali serikali kwa Narok ere UDA people assumed you know monto UDA
paka nje mu mate monto UDA
lakini bono for the last 1 month na ndo chipi cha chi nyinge akire
Jubilee
abegede sati ya Jubilee na igule bimonyonga is warming up
for the nomination
na ende Jubilee akora agochikotenena now bogetutu umongwa naro umuyasana as public finances gorkutimoti busire timoti busire is a very good manager public resources ingencha akordega si nejiga CDF still stands.
That guy used to pay my university fees.
You can imagine
10,000.
Yeah,
nobody has ever paid that in the entire Kisumu South.
So
lakini injemoligi boboli na ki enkie keve
problem
decision making yako seningi
problem ekikomabera tarasoa asabantu banyamira abange bakarde kibali asabantu abange bale Jubilee
bale Jubilee oligiri party ya
yes
decision making
this party ya which go compete ne ya Matiang'i only go compete ne ya Matiang'i then is very much disadvantaged. You see now,
he's a very good guy.
Yeah,
he's a very good guy.
I also admire him. But now, unfortunately, politics is on a wave of a given period.
Sindio?
Bono ige wave ero, ya Matiang'i, na ende party ya Matiang'i chikoba nero.
Tonyole Kimoni, tonyole Walter Nkundi Chanua, tonyole Oyu Timothy. We have Ben Momanyi. Ben Momanyi still people feel no monto imemono o Kalonzo Musyoka. Tara asiboka kurua ase waiba. Aiche se Jubilee. So chances are ngujale gutena nere abo uri kuru wiper iyere part of the opposition ijina ende gucho compromise ekure block ya mabuna into opposition tigatora to soega. Now again tokira cheko determine monto
kuira chikura chiria if we can zero it in asa ubabere tutaya bali Jubilee bono Kimoni na Walter ni running mate chabo because both of them they seem to be loaded, they were prepared. Kimoni tarasoka mono, but you can't underrate him. Kiara talk man check out human. But tarasoka not prepared. Not prepared to give it a trial. Now again to go chiko konya bababere ikiringa ingo chiko running mate yabo. Chanua ominyokire sana. By the way, currently Chanua is ahead.
Chanua is ahead all over on social media.
Everywhere.
The only challenge in Mbwate Chanua is to register my sincere opinion. Tinga simuntu utanga nivesa in his talks.
That's the challenge. Onaliria abantu.
Ukwana iga 50,000.
Onaliria abantu.
Abana watu school fees kanga ibale. Iga
onaliria abantu.
Abaira 100k.
Onaliria abantu.
That is a dangerous leader.
Say that ego chewe kasa abantu bako tanga tuwa isanekire nechi besa bono. What do you stand for?
Nanya kuigwa idea.
Nanya kuigwa. And the people are also complaining that after our candidate platform, make follow up.
Talk. Everyone is saying Chanua is unavailable.
It's unavailable. Only call unavailable now when you are sitting in office.
You are not a elected leader.
And people look for you for 2 months. There is an emergency somewhere. You can't be rigid. Really somebody means really well. Chanua na chita agateabaiga tiango to make a follow up to mateya kolega.
Nowhere to be seen.
No, that's his only challenge.
Not the only one. The challenge of money, that's the second one, and availability. Because right now, on the ones in 2022, right now people are crying because of that person.
Yeah,
so, the Kisii County, it's the same.
Motebi or forum or abante birangario what stands for money can come later. But the moment utangana tichibe senga na ichigo kwana chisimi work you don't respond or respond or respond bo no nganko mwagrande usidinchem and you don't do it, you will end up losing. And chikura in general chikura nchiri paralia abantu mbale museke nyoroka goteba ngantu na atoroje, people will listen.
Sindio?
Yeah. So ukomnyakolia abantu bakomnyoka para nechi pigi ne kwende, it's a big problem. Nyamira as a challenge. We'll want a forum where Chanua, James Kimoni, Walter Nyambati and Mwako Lioro Nyaribo na baruba isaransiwe mese monga Nyamira ya chiriga. What will you people do kokonya balimbe chai? What will you people do kokonya abantu waka mataboli sironga? What will you do to make chipare cha Nyamira chiba accessible? Amangane chinyagetari, availability ya Mario chinyagetari. Those are the issues we want to see Chanua and those others. And they themselves too.
But when if
it's collective, nojo mwako yoro, nojo mwako yoro. In fact,
it looks more formidable.
Tali colorful, tali word, tali exciting. Yeah, now at the block yade.
Apart from the blog, this guy when he speaks, he has some sense.
At least he has
sense.
Very calm.
He's very calm.
Now he wants to listen. Maybe the only challenge he has now bantu bamusaraunded but his hands off. Now, if he can change that, answer go genda matanga, answer go attend to people, as Parachikoros Wobo, Obolia Antonga, Muisa Negatumia Corosio, Kentogete Muisa Negatumia Keokoro, Nyaribo still stands a chance.
He stands a very good chance. The only problem he has now, Temna Wakwana, Abantobaya Wakomokoregas.
Yes.
In fact, is that leader we need in this country because a problem to what about Nigana said the top person now control Gregent.
That is it.
And Nyaribo is not that person.
And again, if it's money, Nere Kuruso Mosaro and Ancherenda Karakora, Nere also has money.
Yeah, yes. A city, an incumbent, tell me the
in incumbents never the advantage. So, Nere, Monto Mandre Tiamna and Vanya Mirang, Juliano. Mosa Wato, most Naquanto Marayato or more senior member, Nta Naraguana say Bell. You got everything by all means. Mogako Lunariga, you have what Chikura, Chirege Kavu, almost 30,000 to start with. Abantumbara Conjure, Abantumbari Bamu Abonotu Mogirango, Batamu abandoned come what may. Chiwodin Chiro, a commanded Tiberesato, a Kuimokanacho, Avandamo Jakamoja, Kuremo, yeah, Ere, Uchir Nechikurenga. So Esoconara, Tomu Yabuni running mate, yeah, and who tells you that I make peace? No. na Gesami. You know, Gesami still commands some respect. Amoika Samu Salan Shamadenga.
Gesami,
you have been
Gesami ngora na baramu. Gesami ngora na baramu.
Sire ngota yet.
Ono ngwa mba ngwa netega. Ngwa mba onchoka netega na maangi kabisa. Ende bakabachira lingi.
Yes.
If it's possible, abunto
in the politics, don't rule anything out.
Lakini thought like man, what do those people inspire when it comes to leadership? They have the ability. Go inspire, change.
Mwaka buna Gesami to the public eye, ikakolekana omonto ucheta kabadambude, taiwe freedom, yogo kora kiria aiweta korera abantu. So it can go around, aisako nyoro wesa bakeiga, ansa gutara around Nyamira goteya ntonga inche I meant well. Nili baganta korete kintai. Mwanche monga libaga. Ingo mote etabe running metiane. People can listen to him. Maybe mbamategera nera aise kobanga no ale pilot. Nera nangu se chikuragete.
Esamino munoto migrang.
No mo west.
Mo west.
Bantu mbali west mo girango ba komategera sana. Nera ngo tamale ne chikura chiru ikomi.
Igo bago chamo possibility nero north na west ngubwata nere.
Kubwata nere bune kubwata tambe support one. So chanua aise ko nyoro monto kur west mo girango maybe no ene aise ko mo north aise ko mwanga bono. Let me pick for example Gesami. Yeah, amade mwaka ncheno mu muromake tigankole gashi aibera frustration ichia lengo John Speed
tokora
take care aibwata chiwe singa naiga mwaka timoka rangiria abantu bo eskimwalia tokoleiga I respect you serikali tokorosia ninko birogo biri kwali netu rinya libako linete inchwa tubwatrane. You know that will be a winning combination.
Kolende nyole ngange Sami ole se ballot ndalere bobe nyole ngamba bunyali because we are not getting the change we need in Nyamira County. They are formidable leaders. And these young people, unaona Chanua Gosoka, it was an encouragement. Pake garanyo atenga, he also had of money fast money.
Onyoro otoriko moikera. What do you do?
That is the disappointment.
You mean well, but you can't reach him.
Apart from Chibesa, apart from Kutatuka, also this guy whenever he speaks, nanya kuyuwa an idea of change. Either in education, either in health.
As an option to Nyalibo.
Yes, he has never given me that.
What makes you better than...
He has never given me that
because option. Because if it's the region, you come from the same region. It's not about region yelikuarwa. How different will you be? To convince that Ntokoliringa nekero toko ira north. Tokoliringa, you are the best option we have. Yeah, and you are the change we have in mind. Yeah. So engineer Kemoni, form forums, meet people, talk to people, go to TV, go to radios. Just let people understand and differentiate you from the ordinary orators. That you have the hope. Ya bantu banyamiranga gocha no change.
You get this and that as a change. To associate this with certain change.
Go chora bairi ba una boko beka chi department yalia na ubale what at least
go beka ta ne vijana.
Como mogetutu feeling yes, I'm part and parcel of Nyamira County. Bono go mogetutu feeling a county is meant for abantu ba
Wanoroche.
You know?
Tutukutire unabono chera ni metacha no erete west.
Tukamumbara ibano.
Tutukutire inumbara. Tunabagetutu.
Na inumu bwato bo.
Karai gunda go debi.
Imbarama.
Ningo manda no magichora
ni no just a minute. You know you are so many.
There are so many.
Why don't you people sit down and field one candidate? Nebanche rusha. Motebaninga again take for the first time today take chebugetutu. Abanda ba spitika.
Ndwa rosi ngoko tukamoros matianga gasoka. Bono matiangi ndoko mutomaro ngoki tai.
That's okay. Then you go chin ebi nyimanu mbi yali bichuchu mbi biko bira bobo gabana.
Oh twari toko kunya like oyo Timothy.
Ochire korogie pati ya. Chimes chire Nyamira omogetutu is to blame.
Is to blame.
Kira kanyomba ngana moja ana ine tu.
For no reason.
You swallow your bride. Mate baninga tutige bono Timothy, tutige Nyambati, gabono tutige monto mwao.
Nyambati nje muri kimuvule na kiale.
Yeah. You are behind one. Bono kira kanyomba. Ugirange gocha tuake block. Mutapata wapi?
Twachandikire.
Na ndi ngora agendera muri.
Giro
yo kamura abeshwa karokyo ubo chumba.
Chumba kine igo chumba
mo. Chumba bwino barabu ngora monta kurusikaje ko. Na no bogu menre pobo. Iga kitingo urumole. Onye mo kwebanga.
Bamuire last time on the matiang.
I'm telling you. Again take senior most mura nyora ali. No bo si we count.